Welcome to Certify Me, the platform that makes credentialing easier than ever before. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to create your account. Step 1. Visit certifyme.online in your web browser. Step 2. Click on Try for Free to begin the sign-up process. Step 3. Fill out the required information to complete your sign-up. Start by entering your email address. Next, provide your full name. Then, enter your phone number, including the country code for OTP verification. Don't forget to input your organization's website. Now, create a secure password for your account. Lastly, confirm your password to ensure accuracy. Step 4. Once you've filled out all the required information, click on Sign Up to proceed. Step 5. Check your email inbox for a confirmation message from Certify Me. Step 6. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Certify Me account.